This is going to be a quick video to show you how to change the default font that OneNote uses and to change the default font size that OneNote uses. If you just recently installed OneNote, or you've been using it for a while and never changed your default font, you're probably set on Calibria with the font size of 11, and it could be kind of small. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to File, Options, and you'll notice I had already changed mine font size. I'm leaving it at Calibria, but to 16. But let's say you wanted a serif font, like say Times New Roman. You just go down, select Times New Roman, set your font size you want, and then click OK. Now notice it did not change any existing notes that you have, but going forward, you'll notice up here, back here it was at Calibria 11. Up here it is now changed to Times New Roman. And if we paste my text in there again, you'll see it has changed again to your new default font size and your default font. And that's really all there is to it. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You have a good day.